Hello everyone, this is Amol Patil, lecturer in Civil Department, R.C. Patel Polytechnic, Shirpur. I welcome you to this video lecture, that is soft computing technique in civil engineering. A few decades ago, when the computers and software were in their initial stages, planning and construction of buildings was quite slow. Further, due to rapid technological revolution, civil engineering companies speed up the construction, ensuring quality and strength. Today, there are several friendly user software available in the field of civil engineering practices to build large and challenge projects in short time. In this video lecture, you will able to learn use of soft computing technique in civil engineering, general feature of software, suggestion the suitable software for the given construction activity, merit and demerit of soft computing techniques. So we see feature of civil engineering software. The first feature is drawing. The drawing feature enables to user to draw basic lines, create plans and shape in faster to act as a foundation design for structure. The second feature is 3D modeling. In the 3D modeling, functionally allows to user to create 3D models of the structure for their design. The third feature is editing. Civil engineering design tools provide the capabilities for user to edit their design as they are deemed necessary with functionality such as erase, trim, undo and more. The next feature is rendering. This feature takes a 3D model and places it into fully realized 3D environment so that user can better visualize what and how their final product will look like. The fifth feature is file interoperability. In that, this ensures that the file created from the solution is compatible with a number of advanced design and imaging applications. The last feature is advanced feature. The unique feature like analysis of diversified structural elements, structural modeling of various elements, structural dynamic analysis and checking of geometrical error. Now it's time to reflect and think. Read the question. List common software used in civil engineering. Pause the video. Record your answer in your notebook. Once you done, play the video. These are the list of software used in civil engineering. Common software used. First software is AutoCAD. With the help of AutoCAD, we can draw plan, section, elevation, can convert 2D drawing into 3D. The second software is Revit. Autodesk Revit architecture is a robust architectural design and documentation software application created by Autodesk for architects and building professionals. The purpose of Autodesk Revit architecture is to get the help about safety in structure, obtaining insight how building will perform before construction begins, develop better quality design and improve the project delivery. The next software is ETAP. The innovative and revolutionary ETAP is the ultimate integrated software package for the structural analysis and design of building. ETAP is finite element analysis software created by CSI and is used to model and analyze the structure, mainly building and their components, to see how a building behaves under various loads. Next software is StatPro. This software is developed by Bentley, which is 3D structural analysis and design software. It performs comprehensive analysis and design for any size or any type of structure. Next software is Civil 3D. This software developed by Autodesk. It is civil infrastructure design and documentation software. This software supports BIM, that is Building Information Modeling, to improve drafting, design and construction documentation. Next software is 3D Architect Home. The architectural design uses 3D software to create a model of building and another structures. Next software is Buildmaster. Buildmaster is most popular Indian software for RCC building design and application release for automation tools designed by the software development team in India. Next software is SkyCiv Structural 3D. This is structural analysis and design software. SkyCiv Structural 3D is structural analysis software on the cloud. This 3D frame analysis software facilitates to model analysis and design number of structures. The next software is SAP 2000. It is a software for structure analysis and design which is used for dams, communication towers, stadiums, industrial plants and buildings. Next software is Estimate Master. This software is used for estimating. Estimate Master is construction estimate software. The next software is BMS. BMS means Building Management System. Building management system includes subsystem for meaning its various components such as water supply and plumbing system, fire alarm system, smoke remote, etc. The main feature of this software is energy management and reduced operational cost. The next software is BIM. It means Building Information Model. Building Information Model is an intelligent 3D model based process that gives architecture, engineering and construction professionals. Next software is Primavera Pro. Primavera Pro, owned by Oracle, is the sophisticated and effective project management tool which allows the engineer to plan, monitor and control the construction project. The next last software is MicroProjects, that is MSP. MicroProjects is project management software developed and sold by MicroProjects. Now, software is mainly classified into three types. The first classification is based on architecture, second is based on structural, third is project management. So, architecture includes planning, designing of interior and exterior. Structural software includes analysis and design the structural member. Project management software includes plan, organize and manage the resource tool and develop resource estimate. So in structural software, these are the software come into structural software: AutoCAD, StatPro, ETAP, SAP, Telcar, SAFE, quantity survey, ANSYS, Civil 3D, CAD. Architectural software comes this list: AutoCAD, 3D Max, Revit Archi, Revit Map, ArchiCAD, Navisworks, Luminon, Google SketchUp, Canvas, Rhino. So in the soft computing technique there are some merits and demerits. So first merits is saves times. Second is easy to edit. Third, decrease in error percentage. Fourth, decrease in design effort. Fifth, easy to share. Last, improve accuracy. Now see demerits: high production or purchasing cost for new system, time and cost of training the staff which will work on it, need of regular updating of software or operating system. So we have to update every time the software. Work can be lost because of the sudden breakdown computer. Never breakdowns, our past work is collapse or breakdown. Thank you so much.